Hello guys, welcome to my Go Mining review. Can you make money here? Can you earn Bitcoin on Go Mining? Can you invest your Bitcoin here and get a lot of returns here? And also in this video, I'm also gonna go to Trustpilot and see what people actually saying about this company, guys. If they made any money while they invest the Bitcoin here on this platform, and also I'm gonna show you the pricing of this coin because this is an also because Go Mining it also has a coin. I'm also gonna go show you a pricing about this coin, guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money online, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my number one recommendation to make money from home without investing your money into Bitcoin. Okay, now let's talk about this Go Mining. So there I've seen some of the bad reviews about this on Trustpilot. I'm also going to show you what are those bad reviews, because people, they were complaining that while they do invest their BTC here, their cryptocurrency, they're not getting any returns. They are unable to withdraw the money. Okay, but now let's talk about this, guys. Okay, it is free, first of all, okay, to create your own account on Go Mining. You can just go to gomining.com and create your own free account. As you can see that when you click here on marketplace, this is whereby that you're gonna able to see all of these BTC that you can buy here, guys. Okay, these are digital equipment that you will need to buy and invest. Okay, as you can see, these are here. For this one is gonna be costing $221, as you can see that, and also they are showing you, they're gonna be showing you some of the returns that you'll be getting, guys. Okay, but it's not guaranteed that you can make money here on, because you know that cryptocurrencies, it's a high risk platform. You know, you may lose your money. It's not guaranteed that you can get paid here on this. Okay, you can also go to buy Go Mining. You can also go here to buy. It says that I must create an account. I don't want to create an account here, guys, on this. You can also go to miners, or also go to let's just click here and check for economics. Okay, let's see what does it offer. So it's gonna be showing all of these cycles. What I don't like about this, guys, there is no tutorial, right? There is no tutorial on how does this platform works, guys. Okay, so if you're not familiar with cryptocurrency, it's gonna be difficult for you, you know, to about how to use this platform. You know, it's gonna be very difficult. It's not gonna be easy. That's one of my concern about this, guys. You know, it is so complicated. You know, you don't know what you're doing here. If I go here to leaderboard, it's supposed to show me all of the people that they are making money here on this platform. You know, that they do invest their Bitcoin. It's gonna be showing me all of those things. As you can see that the number one here, they earn this kind of money on BTC. I think it's around $200 or $300, you know, when you convert this into dollars. And also they hold this position for 41 days. Okay, for 41 days. And also this person is on 1120, but they don't tell us how much this person invested, guys. Okay, there's some of the concern about this platform. You know, let me just go to Go Mining price. Let's see the price, the token price of this. As you can see, it is going down. You know, it's cents, guys, in dollars. The price, it is going down. Okay, let's go to Trustpilot. Let's actually see what people are actually saying about this platform, so that we can have an idea as well, guys. Okay, so these are the reviews from Trustpilot, guys. Okay, this person said that from Chile, I invested $150 into an NFT with mining power. Finally, they refused my KYC. Then impossible to withdraw my mining reward. All my coins are gone in Go Mining. Scam, pocket, avoid. So people are not happy about the company. So that's what I'm saying, guys. You know, investing your money onto cryptocurrencies is in high risk, guys. That doesn't mean you're gonna get into return. You will get those profit that they are promising you, guys. It's a high risk, guys. Okay, do not fall into these kind of things, because this business may be gone tomorrow. What invested a lot of money here. So this person from Canada is saying that won't be paid for 1,000 days at 5 Ethereum reward thing, because they increased from 0.0001 cents to 0.0005 reward cents. I lost $150 and won't get it back for a year. In my opinion, stay away from Gomining. It is not possible and kind of a form of scam. After my review, I am not winning any more Bitcoin, for I am not receiving any more reward. This money is lost forever. If you want to lose your money, go ahead and invest in Gomining. Yeah guys, you're not gonna get any return you're not gonna get any profit, because with cryptocurrencies, it is a high risk business, guys. So I wouldn't even recommend for people to invest their money here, especially if you don't know what you're doing. And that's what I don't like about this company, is that there are no training, guys. There are no training, there are no guidance. There are no guidance. They just promising you that you're gonna earn 50% if you invest in, say, $100 or $200. So they're giving you all of these income claims that you're gonna make 50, you're gonna double your money, but there is no training on how you're gonna get that kind of money. You see that people, they invest $150, but they never get anything, they never get paid anything, guys. So it's just a scam to me. I'll say stay away from these kind of things, guys. Okay. This person says that I've seen a lot of bad reviews about Gomining, calling them a scam. I decided to see for myself. Looks like they actually a scam. If not, why I have been removed from Gomining after investing over 200 pounds. Over 200 pounds. If you like yourself, stay away. So this person invested over 200 pounds in Gomining, and also they removed their account, so which is kind of scam, guys. Okay, so I get this. You can also go to Trustpilot, guys, and read some of these reviews and actually what people are actually saying about these guys. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Gomining was great at first. I invested $367 and was receiving 1,400 satoshis per day, that are the coins for it, about 90 cents dollars. After the Bitcoin halving, I am only receiving around 100 sterling per day, which is 8 cents dollars. I'm hurt. Why was my rewarding cut? So this person is complaining that they cut their return of investment. That's how you're getting, guys, with Bitcoin, with all of these cryptocurrencies. The price is gonna fluctuate, guys. Okay, so do I recommend these guys to earn money? No, I wouldn't even recommend that you can earn Bitcoin. Yeah, we've seen some people that they're complaining about this company, guys. Okay, but first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money from home without investing your money, guys, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my #1 recommendation to make money from home. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and God bless you. Good luck, sharp, guys.